So what I wanted to show in this video, which I sort of forgot to do in the last video, was that you can see I have quite a few profiles here. I was looking up royalty-free music. When I downloaded the templates, that's the one I used for that. So when I downloaded the templates, this is like a fill in the blank sort of thing that I got from Canva, and I just want to show you how to save it so that it will actually work for the process that I showed you to click and drag these in here so you know what this looks like, because this took me a minute. So I've already created that. I'm going to go to download, and it's going to be like, look, it doesn't support, because this is actually an animated slideshow, but I don't care if it's animated. I don't want it to be animated. That's going to be distracting for the people watching my class. So what I want instead is PNG, because that's going to give me good quality without being super huge files, and it's going to individually save the slides so I can pop them into my presentation really easily. But it doesn't look normal. Watch, I'm going to download it. Here we go. It's downloading. This is the downloading song I just made up. It sounds like the Spider-Man song, which I'm a huge Marvel fan, in case you didn't already know that. So I'm going to go to downloads, and you can see here that once it downloads, it's in a zip file. And you're like, what? But all you have to do is unzip this. That's what the cool kids used to call it back in the 90s. And you can see here that, look, oh, all the slides are there. And now I just need to grab them and drop them into place as I'm going through the presentation. Voila! See, you can do this.